Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best keyboard stabilizer on the market. The Durock V2 screw-in stabilizers by Zkeebs. If you're into mechanical keyboards and serious about precision, this product is built just for you. It's not just another stabilizer kit, it's a thoughtful upgrade in the world of custom keyboards. The Durock V2 screw-in stabilizers come in on Nero Black colorway, giving a premium and sleek look that fits right in with high-end keyboard builds. This kit includes 7U, 6.25U, and 2U stabilizers, ideal for 80% and TKL layouts. That makes it a great match for gamers, coders, and keyboard enthusiasts who demand stable key presses with no rattle or unwanted noise. One of the biggest highlights of the V2 version is its pre-clipped stems. For many in the keyboard community, clipping stabilizers is a tedious but necessary mod. Zkeebs eliminates that hassle by offering pre-clipped sliders, so you can save time and go straight to installing. This feature is especially useful for beginners who want high-quality results without extensive modding experience. Another standout feature is its PCB mount screw-in design. These stabilizers screw directly into your PCB, giving a more secure fit compared to plate-mounted stabs. This translates to less movement, better sound dampening, and a more stable typing feel over time. And thanks to its wire-popping protection design, you won't have to worry about wires falling out during installation or heavy typing sessions. The Durock V2 also improves on the notorious issue of wire dropout that plagues other stabilizers. The internal tolerances and patent design here ensure the wire stays firmly in place once installed. Combined with their clear housing and gold-plated wires, the stabilizers not only function well but look fantastic under RGB lighting or clear switch tops. As for build quality, it's top tier. The materials used in these stabilizers are smooth, durable, and well lubricated right out of the box. Of course, you can re-lube them to your preference, but even stock, they perform quietly and consistently. There's minimal rattle, and each keystroke feels smooth and confident, which is exactly what you want whether you're gaming or typing out long documents. This particular kit is tailored for 80% TKL keyboards, and if you're building one from scratch or upgrading an existing board, this is a game changer. Installation is simple if you have a hot swappable PCB or you're familiar with basic soldering and disassembly. And for those wondering about compatibility, these stabilizers are perfect for most custom PCBs designed for screw-in stabs. So who is this product for? Honestly, anyone who's serious about the quality of their keyboard. Whether you're an enthusiast or a first-time builder, this kit gives you everything you need to significantly improve your typing or gaming experience. To sum it all up, the Zkeebs Durock V2 screw-in stabilizers are reliable. Thoughtfully designed, pre-clipped for convenience, and structurally sound for long-term use. They eliminate common issues like wire popping and housing wobble, and they do it all while looking clean and professional inside your board. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to level up your keyboard build, this stabilizer kit is an easy recommendation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what keyboard mod you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.